What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to be reviewing the DSV A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer, a game-changing piece of technology that's about to revolutionize the world of printing. This incredible machine is packed with features that will make your printing experience faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. From its ultra-fast XP600 printhead to its smart-timed printhead cleaning function, this printer is designed to take your printing to the next level. One of the most exciting features of the DSV A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer is its 2-year ink supply. Yes, you heard that right. With your printer purchase, you'll receive a 2-year supply of ink, including 5 bottles of 250 milliliters each and 500 g of powder. This means you'll get a new set of ink every 2 months, and all you need to cover is the shipping cost. This is a huge benefit for busy shops or individuals with tight deadlines, as it ensures that you'll never run out of ink at a critical moment. Plus, with the cost of ink being one of the biggest expenses associated with printing, this 2-year supply will save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Another key feature of the DSV A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer is its ultra-fast XP600 printhead and upgraded mainboard. The XP600 printhead is twice as fast as the L1800, allowing you to print A3 size documents in just 5 minutes. This means you can produce up to 10 high-quality prints per hour, making it ideal for busy shops or individuals with tight deadlines. The upgraded mainboard enables stable data processing, optimized printhead coordination, and reliable extended use, ensuring that your printer will continue to perform at its best even after extended periods of use. Whether you're printing large quantities of documents or high-quality images, this printer has the speed and reliability you need to get the job done. The DSV A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer also features a smart-timed printhead cleaning function, which allows the printer to clean itself automatically. This is a huge benefit, as it reduces the trouble of printhead clogs and lowers downtime due to malfunctions. The foldable touch panel makes it easy to schedule cleaning settings, and the printer will take care of the rest. This means you can focus on more important things, like running your business or creating new designs, while the printer takes care of maintenance. Plus, the extended lifespan of the printhead means you'll get more use out of your printer, reducing the need for costly repairs or replacements. In addition to its many other features, the DSV A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer also boasts a 13-inch large printing area and high-resolution printing capabilities. The printer supports a wider 13-inch DTF film, making it ideal for larger designs or more flexible printing needs. The high-resolution printing capabilities deliver premium 2880x1440 dpi resolution, producing vibrant colors, crisp details, and excellent saturation. This means you can create stunning prints that will impress your clients or customers, whether you're printing large quantities of documents or high-quality images. The printer's advanced dual alarm system, which includes an ink low-level alarm and waste ink overflow alarm, ensures that your printing is always smooth and uninterrupted. In conclusion, the DSV A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer is an incredible piece of technology that's packed with features designed to make your printing experience faster, easier, and more efficient. From its 2-year ink supply to its ultra-fast XP600 printhead, smart-timed printhead cleaning function, and high-resolution printing capabilities, this printer has everything you need to take your printing to the next level. Whether you're a busy shop owner, a DIY enthusiast, or simply someone who wants to create stunning prints, this printer is the perfect choice. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the DSV A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer today and start experiencing the future of printing. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.